Yeah, we've grown our fleet. All the crew are being placed on furlough leave. So EasyJet have teamed up with the NHS because of the experience, the skills that we have as cabin crew to volunteer at the NHS Nightingale Hospital. I used to work for the NHS before EasyJet, so I've done a short stint there. I like the organisation. I kind of have a rough understanding of how it works. Not only that, I've got transferable skills that I can put into practice and in use while I'm not flying for the next 2 months. So it'd be nice to give something good back to the community. Being cabin crew, you are more than just one role. Like, you do your customer service, you're a midwife, you're a nurse, you're a doctor, you're a firefighter, you're absolutely anything you can imagine that can happen on an aircraft, you deal with it. So I think your skills are very, very useful in this situation. It's in the back of my mind. I think anybody in the same situation, it will always be in the back of your mind. But I put my life at risk every day, so it's second nature for me, really. They're really happy. That obviously, again, they're worried because it's put my life and health at risk, in danger. But they're happy that I've got the opportunity to do this.